Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and today we're going to make some cute upcycle jars. Now, how many of you, at least for me, I collect jars from just about anything, from pasta sauces to leftover jam jars to peanut butter jars. I mean, just jars everywhere. And I'm always looking for a fun and kind of cool idea of what I can use with those jars. So the first project I made, look how cute this is, I'll get back to that in a minute. The first project I made was actually kind of a wedding idea. It was taking the white fringe from Expo International and then layering it up with lace and then different forms of trims that go across the top. And as you can see here, look really, really pretty. I'm going to show you a picture here in a second, but I just want to show you what these look like. And then look at this beaded trim. And then adding flowers in it, and you could use this for like a wedding centerpiece, all kinds of. Take a look at the pictures here. So there really is kind of a fun way. You could even go in and instead of doing black beads, you could do the colors for your wedding. That would be really pretty. And to check out that video of how I made those, go over to the Expo International channel. It needs some love. I'd love for you guys to head over there and just give it a thumbs up and a like, and a subscribe would be fantastic. So head on over and check out that video. The link is going to be at the end and also up in the iCard, so you guys can check that out. After I was done making those projects, I also have another little trim, and I was playing around with this, and my daughter actually grabbed the trim, stuck it around her waist, and started hula dancing. And she goes, "Look, Mom, she was like, I'm Moana, you know, the whole Hawaiian Moana from the Disney." And I was like, oh my gosh, you're right. It looks like a little hula trim. It's so super cute. And I'd already done it with these jars, but when you do it in white, it doesn't remind me of hula. But then I put it with the pom-poms on a jar, and it looks like a little mini hula skirt on a jar. And you're probably wondering, like, what the heck would you do with that? Well, truly, there's kind of unlimited. It's a jar, so whatever you want to do with it. Put flowers in it, put cutlery in it, and it becomes something you can put outside. You could do knives, forks, and spoons outside for an outside party. And it's perfect for summer. Put pencils or pens in it, and it becomes a cute little pen or pencil holder. I mean, so many fun ideas. Put straws in it for outside if you're going to have an outside straw party. Put sparklers in it for 4th of July. You could do these 4th of July colors. I mean, you could do like red pom-poms with blue trim. I mean, have fun with that. I'm going to show you how simple this is. Today we're going to be using our all-purpose universal glue from Super Tight. This adhesive, it really is, it goes with everything. It's the multi-purpose, everything's going to stick to it kind of glue. It's fantastic, and there is a coupon code below for 10% off your offer. There's a lot of reasons why I've been using this glue a lot lately. One is because it is a lot less expensive than the other glues. 2, it has less chemicals in it. I'm just taking my trim and going around. That's it, just going around here. And I'm actually going to double layer. The white ones, the ones I would call the wedding jars, I've only added 1 layer on those, but these ones I'm going to double it up and do a double layer to really make it hula-y. So as I continue talking. So this glue is made with a ton less chemicals, a lot less solvent, a lot less stuff in it than some of the other glues in the industry, which I think is fantastic. I mean, the less stuff that I'm touching and exposing my kids to is great. And where is the beginning of that loop? Where'd it go? Where's, oh, it's right about there. I'm going to call that the double. I couldn't tell where it already had doubled up, so I'm calling it there. Add a little bit more glue right along here so it sticks. There we go, just like that. And look, it's already a cute little hula skirt. Boop, boop, boop. And see, it's sticking just fine. Look at that, pretty awesome, right? Some of these are getting caught up on the glue that's up above, so shouldn't twirl it too much. That way it's gonna get stuck to everything else. So I just started having fun playing with different colors of pom-poms. All the trims and the pom-poms, the fringe, the pom-poms, the trims are all from Expo International. Oh, so back to the glue. There's a coupon code down below. There's also a link down below so you guys can see that. And the coupon code is for a % off. I believe it's 10% off your entire order. And I believe it is also free shipping. So it ends up being, even without the coupon code, it ends up being cheaper glue than some of the other stuff that you can get on the market right now. And I am doubling up this as well. I just feel like it needs 2 rounds of everything just to really have some fun with it. Double up the pom-pom. Double up the fun, and I'm just going to run this so it goes all the way around. It might end up being a triple in some areas, and that's fine. Let me just layer it up. Look how cute it is. I'm in love with this. You know, sometimes you make a project and you're just kind of like, oh, that's adorable. And all thanks to my daughter pretending she was Moana holding up this fringe. Gotta love it. Sorry, I got little stringies there. No, look how cute. Isn't that adorable? You're going to get some close-up pictures at the end. I'm going to let them kind of dry because it takes about 30 seconds for it to set to the point where it won't fall off, but it takes a good 24 hours to cure. That is the difference. All right, same thing with this one, but I am going to speed that up for you. You don't need to see me do the exact same thing again. Hula jars. I'm going to call these my Hula jars, my little Moana Hula jars that you can use for so many different things. Flowers, pencils, straws, just to keep your, I mean, you could put scissors in here. They're just anything that you would want to organize and keep kind of in a jar thing. And the cool thing is because it was a food safe glass, and as long as you wash it and do all that kind of stuff, you could put things in here that you would end up eating with, like straws and pencil, or sorry, forks and knives and things like that. I would avoid putting food in this now, mostly because it's too hard to clean it again. So you wouldn't want to put like a dip or anything in, because then how do you wash this? So anything that would be dry, like you could put pixie sticks in here for like a little girl's birthday party or a little boy's birthday party. You could have a blast with this, and it would be super fun to put something in that was already wrapped up and the kids could grab a little candy. So many fun ideas. Look at all the bright, beautiful colors. I mean, I could just see this as a little trio sitting on a birthday party table, just sitting there with fun little treats or, you know, things in there if you're going to have like a Moana birthday party. So adorable. Or just, you know, in your backyard if you want to have a backyard fun party. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check out the pictures of what I'm going to show you, how you can use some of these fun ideas. Don't forget to go check out the videos from Expo International on how to do the wedding version of this jar, just changing up the colors of the fringe and the trim you put around the top and the bottom, and you have a completely different look depending on what colors of fringe that you put on your jars. And reuse those jars. This is a great way to upcycle. So thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.